Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Hello Experts. In today's video, we are going to create a buzzer game for you. So watch the complete video to get to know about its procedure. Here is a buzzer game frame made up of silver pipe. Daniel is demonstrating how this pipe will be attached to the base. Now he picks up the stick which is made up of silver wire and has a hook-like shape at one end. Whenever this hook-like wire will come in contact with silver pipe, a buzzer will make noise and lights will turn on. Now let's start the procedure of making of this buzzer game. For this we need 3 bulbs with wires attached and glue them together to the base sheet. After gluing them, take a buzzer and a 12-volt battery. Now let's make a circuit through wires. Attach one end of the wire to the bulbs and solder it using soldering rod. Now attach the other end of the wire to one terminal of the battery and solder it using soldering rod. After soldering it, take another wire and solder it to other terminal of the battery. Once done, attach the bulb wire with a smaller buzzer. And take another long wire and solder it to one end of the buzzer. Now Daniel is testing the circuit. The buzzer and lights work perfectly. Time to fix the frame on the base sheet. Once frame is fixed to the base, Daniel attaches the wire end from buzzer to the metal stick, which is the last part of the procedure. Now time to test the game. We took 2 contestants and asked them to play the game. They tried, but both of them failed because it was their first time to play this game. This buzzer game needs a lot of practice. So for more interesting videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.